Naswertuhan pa rin ako dito. Didip.
Gagawin na to sa
Ano to,
next
ate?
year.
Ipapantay?
Lalagyan ng bridge.
Game mo. Oh!
Hindi mas okay yung ano.
Hindi pa pwedeng mapagod eh. Pag nanay ka, wala ka rin ang pagod.
Crank. Nakabini ka pa eh, no? Kelly, always busy.
Aldi Mobile or Woolworths.
Anong isa? Bakit kailangan isa? Kumuha ka pa isa itim para lang pang ano,
Palitan.
palitan.
Yung $5 din, isa-isa.
Cute ni yellow.
Magiging ano yan? Dirty yellow.
Ano?
Ano yan eh. Susunod 12, 13, gano'n.
Mura ng mga gamit dito eh, no? Kano lang to? 600? 700? Mura. Yung mga sapatos dito, boss. $20. $10. Ah, $20. 15. Ooh!
Mga 200 pesos, gano'n.
Parang ano, presyong Divisoria. Pero quality SM. Small. Pilipino.
Hindi, dapat
Pilipino yun.
dapat medium na dad. Medyo, ayan, okay naman pala.
Okay, stretchable. Sarap ng feeling. Dati namimili kami pang uwi. Ngayon, binibili namin dito pang stay. Pang dito na.
Yun!
Okay, you do it.
Sana nga isa pang plastic.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Oo.
Isang bag.
Jacket. Ang napaka-colorful mong jacket. Yeah. You done?
Yeah.
Yay! To infinity and beyond. That's Buzz Lightyear. Yeah. Grabe mga malls dito. Ang lalaki. Or center. Tolls. Parang SNR, SM. Nata. Tama? Magkano blueberries dyan? Pero dito $5 lang. Blueberries. What the heck? Come on. $6 lang ang malalaking strawberry. The difference though. Galing. Organic.
$4 only.
Okay. Uy, natuwa. Mahilig sa organic.
So, di-edit ko yun.
Batang organic. Maganda ka naman lagi, boss.
Ate,
Ano?
nagugulat sa'yo si Kren kasi pag kami, hindi siya nakakabili. Pag di naman yan leader.
Oo, ganun talaga. Ngayon lang yan. So, ano?
Just for today.
Magkano? Tinan mo, $4 lang. Yep.
$4 na to. Dati $2.
Yes. Fresh produce. Yeah. And then, banana. So, it's weighing. It's $1.47. Okay.
Ay, so weighing scale.
Yes.
Code? Okay. You happy? Say thank you to tita.
Pero pag nag-sale to every Wednesday, lahat drop.
Ano ba to? Ano bang ganito?
Woolworths, Woolies.
May Woolies bang malapit sa atin? Aldi
Meron,
malapit sa
meron.
atin?
Woolies and Aldi. Ay, yung Aldi pinakamalapit. Pero yung Woolies, 6 to 10 minutes.
Bili kami SIM card. Hey baby. Aldi baby.
Forget crying on the plane.
Why?
It's actually very nice here.
Cold na. Everything is cheap. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ay, lamig.
I don't wanna.
You really? You don't wanna go back? Really?
Never mind, never mind.
You're about to say it. Really?
Kasi gumawa siya na.
Uy, big bike, boss.
Wow.
Ano naman yun eh?
Makakabili ako.
Hi.
Cutie.
Drawing. So I stopped for a few months. And yeah, I came back. Oh! No, 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 no. I accident.
Yep. Who said that we're gonna...
Like that.
Eh.
That's freezing.
Is this normal?
Yes.
Very normal?
This is actually pretty warm compared to in the morning. It's really cold, so don't get out of bed in the morning.
Yeah, that's why we woke up like 12.
Good. Because it's your guys' first winter, right?
Yeah. The first time that we went here, it's
My
summer.
legs are in my shirt.
That's why I think she's like that.
Come on,
She's
let's
easy
play.
to talk
Come
to,
on.
easy to like bond with other kids.
It's like I feel like it's a really good skill to have,
Yeah.
especially as a kid.
Yeah. She's not a... Surprisingly, she doesn't have snots yet.
Yeah, I was surprised too because when winter started, I was having the knots.
I think by tomorrow though.
Oh, hopefully not. Wow.
No! 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 Stop!
Stop shouting!
No, 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 no. Your turn. No. It's refreshing when it's cold.
Sige nga, oh, sige. I'll make a challenge. Both of them will speak Tagalog until we get home. Let's see who will
Sige.
not speak or speak a lot. Okay, oh, sige, ano, walang English ha.
Sige.
Oh, walang English. Ano, puro oo ba? Wal.
May bayan. Puro oo.
Oh, puro oo.
Ate Pia, gusto mo mag-play ng Roblox later?
Oo. Ba't puro oo lang?
Oo nga.
Diba?
Hoy! Yes.
I'm not included in the game. Pero no, nakakaintindi ka. Ay, that's enough. Though. You just need to like re-say the words so you like understand.
Ate Pia.
Oo. Oo, hindi oo. Oo means yes. Oh,
Gusto mo ba magpunta sa park?
galing na tayo.
Ayoko.
Oh, ayaw
Bakit
niya.
ayaw mo?
Ang lamig naman.
Oh, Vanis! House na, it's so lamig.
Sige.
Sige. Tagalog challenge ends here.
Who won?
Nobody.